Alright, welcome back to the channel, and what we're going to do, we're going to change this belt. This is the one from Motorcraft. It's what the little truck recommends. This has got a 2.3 in it, a very small liter motor, 16 valves. I have not changed this belt since I bought it. I think it's 170, maybe 170,000 on it. So it did really good, so we're going to go ahead and try it. And like I said, they recommend it. I bought this off of Amazon, so you can look that up and see. But these are the numbers. Here, let me get close enough so you can see the numbers. If you can see them there. That's what they said they recommend, so we're going to find out. So it's JK6834AA. Or the number down below is 1L50Z, as in zebra, 8620AC. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and change this flat belt out. Now this will be the first time I ever did it on this little truck. Like I said, I've never had to change it before, so we get to find out. I don't really think I have to take that off. Yeah, I need to take it off because I have to go underneath and take this. I'm going to remove some of this stuff here in the front just a little bit, so I'll have some more room in here. Make sure I don't lose those. But I need to get this done before it gets cold again, so I don't have to heat this place up here. That's the thing, heating it up all the time. Now, I think I can leave this. There's a sensor here on there. I'm going to go ahead and remove this pipe here. Pop up there. Been on there forever. Come on, get up there. There we go. Oh, I need to take this clip off right here. That's just, I mean, you just kind of pull this back like this. Just kind of little of a clip and just pull that off. Just move it up here. And now, let's go ahead and move this in here back. Take this off. Come on. A little rough. There it comes. Okay. And watch, there's a, I think there might be, no, there's no sensor. I don't think there's a sensor in this one. Oh, no, okay, my sensor is over here on this side. So it's connected to this. So we really don't have to move that. That's not really that important. And then we'll go ahead now. The thing that Ford did, I'm for sure a lot of them did the same thing, is that they put a diagram for this belt. The diagram there for it. I don't know if I can get it about right there somewhere. But yeah, there's a diagram for that belt, for definitely. So you're going to be able to do it. It's up here on top. It's set up here, and it actually has 3 different types. So Ford put it on for the 3.0, the 2.3, and the 4.0. So each one of these vehicles we set in a different, pattern it goes. So if you took it off, you don't have to worry about it. Just look down to 2.3 is where I'm at. Okay, I got an adapter for it, so I'm down to a 3/8 adapter from a 1/2 inch. So I had to get a 1/2 inch for this 1/2 inch, of course. So I had to get this adapter here. There it goes. Not a good way to pull it off. Okay, we'll keep that belt until I find out this other one's gonna work. I could match him up, but I'm for sure this belt's, the old belt's probably stretched, you know what I mean, from over years of using it. Okay, let's put this one in there if we can. So I get belts just wounded up everywhere. Put it on crank first if I can get it down there. Let's see which pipe did it go first. Around this one. Top of that pulley, down around, back up. Okay, I took this up here, here, here. Didn't have to put that in there. Go this way. Came off that bottom pulley again. There it is. Down around here, to here, around here, down here, down at the bottom. I forgot everything but the alternator. Okay. There we go. Line them up on there. Line up on this one onto my air conditioner pump. Last one will be the alternator. Okay. Make sure that sets on top of these pulleys right. They're not off, setting off. And well guys, that kind of looks like that's it. Follow the pattern here, comes up around here, goes down around to your alternator, comes up around to that, like I said, that spring, that it's like a extra pulley, goes down around the crank, comes back up. From the crank, comes into a pump on the side here. See what the heck is that pump? I know that's probably a water pump. And then it comes back up. Let's see, wait. Comes on the inside, comes back up on the outside of the power steering pump. Or no, the air conditioning pump. No, that's power steering pump. Air conditioning on the inside. And then it comes back down around toward the fan, and then back up to the air conditioner. So that should be it. We're not going to try to start because I got this stuff off. I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. That should be it. Okay, now I'll put this back on. Put this in. Just a little bit fussy down at the bottom to get your belt started. That was the most I've had. Like I said, I've never changed it before, so I don't know. But it seems like it went on there pretty good. We'll find out. I don't see it. It doesn't look like it's off or anything. Tell you what, it's a good little motors when they made the 2.3. It's like I said, this got about 170, a little over 170,000 for sure on it. I have to look and see, but I know it's over 170,000. And so far, I really haven't done too much anything to the truck except run it, use it for work. And it's been a really good truck. Now the new Ford Rangers that's out, they have the same motor, but they have turbo, so it gives them like additional 30% more horsepower than the smaller ones like this. But when they made the motor, they made a really good motor, that's for sure. I know people said they got 300,000 out of one of these motors. I don't know if I'll get 300,000. I thought about pulling it out and just check to make sure the frame's good on it, and then go ahead and pull this motor out and just put another motor down in. What it costs for a truck now, I could take this to a Ford garage and probably get the motor and transmission put in for about $5 grand. And if it's got, like I said, if the frame and stuff's still good on it, you're talking, say $5,000. That's a good deal. And they'll put it in and give you a warranty on it on a pre-built engine and transmission. And then there you go. You got practically a nice truck and run you probably another 15, 20 years. So I've had this since it was pretty close to new. So, all right, there you go. It works out fine. It didn't pop off or nothing. Sounds really good. And if you guys are looking for a fan belt, maybe look that number up. Maybe follow up on Amazon, see if they have any more there. Perfect fit. Runs really nice. So we have no problem with it. Okay, if you guys got any comments or haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thanks for watching.